Hey guys, look what I have with me, the amazing Grace gift hamper that I received yesterday, and I'm so excited to show what all things are inside. Starting with the welcome note that they sent to me. It's so cute and lovely. I really liked it. Thank you, amazing Grace. So let's open the hamper and see what all things are there. Wow, there are a few beautiful cards in it, and uh, they have sent daily restoration shampoo. Then there is the conditioner and the daily UV serum. All the three products are cruelty free and free from harmful chemicals that can be used every day on gray hair. So that's a great thing. Also, there is a cute little travel kit inside to take care of my grays when I am not at home. And it has all the things that I have shown you here: the shampoo, the conditioner, and the serum. So this is the travel kit, and there are a few goodies also, like they have sent a tote bag which says gray is the brightest color, and that's true. Then there is a wooden comb. It is great in stimulating blood circulation, I tell you. Then there are my favorite scrunchies. Both the colors are my favorite. And last but not least, there is a soap to take care of my skin. So these are all the products, and I am really very excited to try all these products as soon as possible. So let us see.